What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, before we get started on the video, please keep in mind that my Weibo affiliate link is in the description below. Go ahead and use that to get 2 free stocks guaranteed, no questions asked. More on that later on in this video. Guys, a question that I constantly get when it comes to Shiba Inu is, hey, Rigor Mortis, is this a good time to buy? Is this a good time to sell sometimes? And other people just asking me, when should I buy and when should I sell? Guys, it's extremely difficult to answer some of those questions because every single portfolio is different. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you guys, hey, you need to buy this and you need to buy that, or you need to sell this and you need to sell that. All I can tell you guys is what I am doing personally, what has worked for me in the past, and why I continue to be bullish on Shiba Inu. So that's what we are going to be talking about in today's video. If you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Folks, first and foremost, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen in terms of the future of cryptocurrency. A lot of people sit there all day trying to guess where Bitcoin is going to go, where Ethereum is going to go, Solana, some of these big dogs in the top 5. They sit there, they dedicate their whole life to technical analysis, and even they get it wrong. It's extremely hard to get this right, to project where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of these cryptocurrencies are going. All we can go based off of is what catalysts we have in the pipeline for each of these and how that'll move us forward. When it comes to the broader cryptocurrency market, in my opinion, it's much harder to call than Shiba Inu. With Shiba Inu, it's pretty much what you see is what you get. We already know what's in the pipeline. We already know what's coming. So this is what I am doing. You guys already know. I did get into Shiba Inu in this past summer. So it was after the big boom that we had in May. It cooled off a little bit. I was talking about it in early May. I started buying in. I dollar cost averaged down, and I got a position that I'm happy with. But there are still some people out there that don't have a position. They watch these videos and they ask me, what should I do? This is what I would do. If I was in Shiba Inu and I wanted to either A, buy more, if I didn't have any Shiba Inu and I wanted to get a position, this is what I would do. First and foremost, looking at this chart, we are starting to see stability. We saw lows down here in the high 3s, and since then we bounced off of that, and now we're coming back down a little bit, and we are trying to see whether or not we're going to retest these intra-month lows, or if we're just going to continue to bounce off of it. So as we keep testing these points, guys, you have to take a look at these graphs and say, okay, where do we see support? Where is this thing bouncing off? Right now, I see it over the past couple of weeks. I see it right here at 38 because we bounced off of that, and we're going to see whether or not we bounce off of it or even get there. Even here in the 4s, we can also say that's a level of support if we bounce off of it, which was what we thought was going to happen today. Sorry, this is the 1-day chart now. We thought we were going to bounce off of that very nicely, and then it came back down. So take a look at the chart for your points of entry. That is what I do when I'm trying to find a token that I want to buy into. I either do that. A second option that I religiously use is dollar cost averaging. For Shiba Inu, folks, if you are eager to get in, I was eager to get in. So I told myself, what? Let me go ahead and start my position. So I did. And as it either went down or stayed the same, I would put more money in. I didn't buy my whole position on one transaction. I would have been happy with that first transaction, the amount of money that I put in. And if it just started skyrocketing from there, I would have been happy with those gains. But what I did instead is I split up my money and I said, okay, let me buy a little chunk of Shiba Inu right now. If it continues to fall, I'm going to continue to add to my position. That is what it means to be bullish on a token. For those that bought way up here, and there were a lot of people that were buying up here, otherwise the price wouldn't have been this high. People that bought on the way up, I'm going to say the exact same thing that I said back here, because people were complaining to me, I bought the high, I bought the all-time high, and now it's never going to come back. Folks, if I was one of those people that bought way up here, guess what I would have been doing? Dollar cost averaging the whole way down. Every single step of the way, I am adding to my position. I am bringing my dollar cost average down, which pretty much just means that your cost basis for Shiba Inu just is coming down as the price is coming down because you are putting more and more money into it. So that is why I think those that either don't have a position or want to add to their position shouldn't be panicking at all, because we have so many good catalysts on the way, and I think these all-time highs are going to be surpassed. Before we get into that, like I said, folks, big shout out to Weibo. I am an official Weibo affiliate. The way it works is in the description below. I'm also going to pin it up at the top of the comments. You are going to find my Weibo affiliate link. You use that link, folks. It's so easy. You open up a brokerage account. You deposit just 1 cent, guys. 1 penny is all they are asking for. I mean, come on, 1 cent. You deposit that penny, you are going to get 2 free stocks guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The value of those 2 free stocks, folks, can be all the way up to $2,300. I will admit, you got to be lucky to get that combined value, but the minimum, the bare minimum you are going to get for those 2 free stocks is a combined value of around $11. On top of that, folks, you do 1 crypto transaction on Weibo, and by the way, Weibo has listed Shiba Inu. You do 1 crypto transaction on Weibo as little as $1, you are going to get $5 back in a cryptocurrency of your choice, and of course, Shiba Inu is one of those that you can choose. Go ahead and take advantage of this promotion, folks. Like I said, my link is going to be in the description below, the very first link. It's also going to be pinned up at the top of the comments. So guys, even now we are seeing, hey, are we going to retest this whole 38 situation here? We might even see it today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe we don't see it at all, because we know the good catalysts that are in the pipeline. First and foremost, we need to see how the crypto market is going to react. There has been a little bit of uncertainty in the cryptocurrency market right now, but nonetheless, I think Shiba Inu is going to do well if the crypto market is slightly bearish, but I think it's going to do fantastic. I mean, absolutely amazing if we have bullish market sentiments. So that becomes the question. First and foremost, how is the crypto market going to react to some of the news that we see coming out? How is 2022 going to get started once everybody is selling out of their positions, potentially for losses? How is 2022 going to roll around and change things? On top of that, I say that I think Shiba Inu is going to do well by itself without necessarily a bullish crypto market sentiment, because we have our own internal catalysts that are absolutely going to take off and completely revolutionize the way that we look at this token. First and foremost, we have the AAA gaming studio working on this NFT style game. Shibarium is in the pipeline, our layer 2 solution. Shai, which is supposed to be our stable token, also in the pipeline. There are so many good things happening when it comes to the ecosystem. Our doggy DAO, how Bone is going to be essentially effective as a governance token. Guys, there's still so much left in the pipeline, and that's just the beginning. Look at Shaitoshi, our lead developer. He's constantly reorganizing his resources to see what exactly needs to be done. This isn't one of those tokens that's just remaining stagnant, guys. Even with these catalysts in the pipeline, there are going to be more right after that. So for me, it's a long-term game. This isn't one of those things where I'm buying in right now to make some gains in a couple of weeks. This is one of those tokens that I'm going to be sitting on for a very long time, probably longer than any other position I have in my portfolio. I'm a big fan of a lot of other tokens, but Shiba Inu, most definitely for me personally, takes the cake. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please keep in mind, guys, I am by no means a financial advisor. You need to go out and do your own research. I'm just some guy on the internet that likes talking about this stuff, but this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please go out and do your own due diligence before investing in anything, absolutely anything I talk about on my channel. Thank you guys so much for sticking around all the way till the end of the video. I know this video was pretty much just a very long ramble, but these are my thoughts and opinions about Shiba Inu. I want to hear yours in the comment section below, so make sure you drop me a comment, like the video, and subscribe if you are new around here. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I am at the scene, folks. Peace out.